In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Outlook calendar. To get started, first open the Outlook application on your computer or device. Once you have Outlook open, you'll want to look for the calendar icon. Typically, you'll find this either on the navigation pane or within the Home tab at the top of your screen. Clicking on this icon will take you directly to your calendars. Now that you're in the calendar section, it's time to initiate the sharing process. Look for the button labeled Share Calendar on the ribbon. This button is usually prominently displayed and easy to find. If you happen to have multiple calendars, you'll want to make sure you've selected the one you intend to share. This is important because you could have a personal, work, or other distinct calendars, and selecting the right one ensures you're sharing the correct information. Once you've clicked Share Calendar, you'll be prompted to add recipients. This is where you'll enter the name or email address of the person you want to share your calendar with. Start typing their name or email. Outlook will attempt to auto-suggest contacts from your list. When you see the correct person appear, simply select them to add them to the sharing list. The next step is to set permissions for the person or people you're sharing with. Next to the person's name, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can assign their level of access. This is a crucial part of controlling what others can see or do with your calendar. The first option is Can View When I'm Busy, which will only show them your availability, not specific details. Next is Can View All Details, which, as the name suggests, allows them to see all the finer details of your calendar entries. If you trust the person enough and need them to make changes, you can select Can Edit, granting them the ability to modify your calendar. Lastly, the Delegate option gives them maximum permissions. This means they can edit your calendar and even receive meeting requests and responses on your behalf. After you've set the appropriate permissions, it's time to send the invitation. Click either Share or OK, depending on your version, to send the invite to the person selected. The recipient will then receive an email notifying them of the shared calendar. Once they receive this email, they need to click Accept, which will automatically add your calendar to their Outlook. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily share your Outlook calendar with colleagues, friends, or family, ensuring everyone stays informed and on schedule. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.